Future hikers, hello.
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Ow! Woo-hoo! Oh my God, this is the most power I've ever seen in my whole life. Hey! Okay. Okay. Woo! We're at Redlodge today. In the last 24 hours, they've had 18 to 20 inches of snow, and the resort was closed yesterday because of power outages. So, holy shit. This is just unbelievable. We out here. Butter! Yoo-hoo! Oh my God, it's deep. This bitch deep. Alright, I gotta fucking float. Oh! Yo! Holy fucking moly, guys. Ow! Ow! We out here.
Good.
Yeah, buddy.
That was so good.
So that powder's a little heavy. It's definitely not cold smoke.
No.
It's deep as fuck, though. This is fucking dope.
Redlodge!
Redlodge for real. Oh, I see what you mean. This is a steep ramp.
Steep. Shredder. Ooh.
Oh, thanks for slowing it.
Perfect. How do you know we were new?
Graceful dismount. Have a good one, guys.
Hey, man.
Anytime she goes away.
place is fucking dope. We got freaking bluebird vibes right now. On like a freaking 18-inch POW day. I got a loss for words. We out here. Oh my. Yeah, so the lift broke, so I'm hiking out up from the bottom right now, and you know, shit happens, right? Like today is still fucking gravy. I mean, literally look at it out here. Insane. Beautiful. But next little line I see through these trees right here, I'm fucking sending it. Because I can cut down to the lift that's down over by those rocks. That was the first run of the day. I think I can get there from these trees. We'll see. Here we go, ready? Oh, wow. What a homie. The world is still full of kind people. Shout out to that guy. Oh my God. Oh boy. Alrighty, so I'm coming at y'all with a midday breakdown. Conditions have been unreal. Honestly, the company, until I lost them about 2-3 hours ago, unreal. These vibes are all time right now. This is probably one of the best days of snowboarding I've had in my whole life, and it's just constant, just freshy, just, oh my God. So anyways, I'm riding a new lift right now. I tried to ride this one earlier actually, and it broke literally as I was about to sit down on my chair. So luckily I didn't have to like jump off the chair or evac or anything like that, but yeah, now I'm just riding up and we're gonna check it out. It should be fucking good. Anyways, we out here. You. Oh, you guys can see that big rock I just jibbed. Oh, I heard jibbing rocks. in place. Woo, woo, woo. How's it going, y'all?
Oh, good. I just got unburied.
Oh, I was just there myself, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Woo. Got fucking bodied on that run. Oh my gosh, there's so much power cell. Oh. Yeah. Oh my. Yeah, I am whooped right now. I am pretty dead, so probably gonna be the run to the car here because it's almost 4 o'clock anyways, but what an unbelievable day today was. Yeah, I don't have any other words. We out here.